Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby Channel and Happy New Year. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this DriftArt 2.0. I think it is 2.0. This one's been sent to me by a very generous viewer, so thank you very much. It actually arrived at the middle of 2021 when I was moving, so I didn't really have time to do anything about it. I just left it in the box, packed it, moved, and then left it in my cupboard for many months now. So now it is a good time to see what's actually inside this box. I'm very excited because I haven't opened it before and I don't know what DriftArt will have in store for us. As far as I know, it is the most innovative chassis right now, and a lot of people just swear by it that it is the best one you can get. So this is not the current version that you can buy. I believe this is the previous version because it is the DriftArt 2. Right now it is the DriftArt 2.5. So let's take a look at what's inside. Right, so this is really nice. Okay, first thing I noticed, the tires. They give us the tires, too narrow and too wide. Round tires as well, so the quality is really good and they are smooth. Perfect. So we have the tire. Only the tires, I guess, so we'll have to provide our own wheels. Well, that's really good because a lot of people are gonna ask what wheels should I get and something like that. The wheels depend on the body you are going to use because the body will tell you what offset will you need for your wheels. To have only the tires, it is fantastic. So, because we can choose our own wheels. The screws, there are a lot of screws. Okay, some sort of bulkhead. Yeah, I guess these are parts for the rear bulkhead. Sorry about the noise, it is New Year. Okay, next we have suspension components. We have the bearings, springs. There are many springs as well, so we can tune the car right out of the box. Chassis parts, shock towers, and these are made of carbon fiber. Bulkhead and gearbox parts. This seems to be 3D printed, and to be honest, I'm not really keen on a 3D printed car because most of my experience with 3D printed stuffs, they are not that durable. So we'll see how this goes. Now this is a surprise, and because it comes with a DriftArt packaging, so I guess they give us the tools as well, and this is the first. What we have? Oh, we have hex screwdriver, tweezer, some files, another two Allen keys. Wow, that is really good. And some sandpapers as well. That's the first that they give us a full set of tools to build the car. To be honest, this is given to me, so I don't know how much is that cost. I'm really excited to build it. What do we have to talk about next? Right, what extra parts will we need? Because these are just the chassis and some tires. So we're gonna need some electronics, Let me check if I have them. Alright, I'm back. Let's see what components will I need first. The wheels, because we have the tires but not the wheels. These are the wheels I have right now. I guess I'm gonna be using the Nissan Skyline R33, and these should fit okay. Because I don't have anything else right now, and it is New Year, so all the shops are closed, and if these wheels don't work out, I'm gonna have to buy some more wheels later. Moving on to the electronics. Of course, you're gonna need ESC and motor. If you follow me on Facebook, you might have seen that I plan to use the DXR motor with censored ESC from Emradon, but I haven't soldered that yet, and I'm not in the mood to solder anything right now. And this is the best sensorless ESC at the moment, so let's use this. Next, we're gonna need a receiver. Of course, I'm gonna be using the official micro receiver from FlySky to use with my Noble NB4 transmitter. And next we're gonna need a gyro. Of course, well, this is a very happy accident because I bought the red gyro because it was the only one in stock when I bought it. So this is red and black, and my wheels are black. They're gonna have red and black aesthetic, which will look fantastic on the car. Next is the servo. This car only used the very specific size of the servo, which is the AGF A11 CLS or something along that size. Unfortunately, I forgot to order it with the gyro, so I had to make another separate order, and it hasn't arrived yet. Paracalo? Ne? As luck would have it, it just arrived right now. So now I can finish my car with the red and black aesthetics, which is fantastic. I like it a lot. That's it for now. I'm gonna go and build it, and next we're gonna go for a test drive and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.